Quick question, when's the last time you actually thought about the sun? Exactly. It's just there. Every single day.
But that giant fireball you've been ignoring your whole life is honestly one of the most violent, extreme, and terrifying objects you will ever learn about.
Buckle up. Number 10. Let's start with something that'll wreck your sense of scale. The sun makes up 99.86% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Every planet, every moon, every asteroid you've ever heard of?
That's the leftover 0.14%.
We're basically rounding errors. Number 9.
Here's a fun mind bender for your next conversation. The sun you're picturing right now doesn't exist anymore, at least not the version of it you're picturing. Light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us, so you're always looking at the sun as it was over 8 minutes ago.
It's basically a delayed broadcast. Number 8. Okay, this one's genuinely terrifying.
The sun's core sits at around 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to fuse hydrogen into helium nonstop, every second, forever, which is, casually how it powers all of life on Earth.
Number 7.
Try to picture 1.3 million Earths.
Can't do it? Nobody can.
That's roughly how many Earths could physically fit inside the sun's volume. We are, quite literally, a rounding error orbiting a monster.
Number 6. Plot twist, the sun isn't actually yellow. From space, it's blazing white.
That warm yellow-orange glow you see every day is just our atmosphere scattering the light before it hits your eyes.
You've been lied to by the sky your entire life. Number 5. This next one should keep you up at night.
Solar flares can release more energy in a few minutes than billions of hydrogen bombs going off at once, and the strongest ones are powerful enough to knock out satellites and power grids here on Earth.
Number 4.
The sun is about 4.6 billion years old, which means it's basically middle-aged, sitting right around the halfway point of its expected 10 billion-year lifespan. So yes, technically the sun is having a midlife crisis, it's just really, really slow.
Number 3.
Here's where it gets dark, literally. In about 5 billion years, the sun is going to balloon into a red giant, and it's likely to swallow Mercury and Venus whole, with some models suggesting it could reach all the way to Earth's orbit.
Not our problem though. Probably. Number 2.
The sun's magnetic field is so violently chaotic that it completely flips, North Pole to South Pole, roughly every 11 years.
Imagine if Earth's compass just randomly reversed itself on a schedule. That's the sun's normal Tuesday. Number 1.
And here's the fact that should really break your brain: every single second, the sun converts about 4 million tons of its own mass directly into pure energy.
Every second. It has been doing this for 4.6 billion years, and it's still going. That's the machine keeping you alive right now.
So next time you complain about the weather, remember you're standing next to a 4.6 billion-year-old fusion bomb that's been quietly keeping you alive this whole time. Wild, right? If this messed with your head a little, subscribe, because we're just getting started.